Alrighty, I have a really exciting construction update for you guys today. You guys already know because of Wonderland's post that vertical is well under the way. We are currently working on a really cool documentary. I'm really excited about it. We've been able to document some things that I haven't shown you guys as well. But what you're about to see is the span of 24 hours of AlpenFury construction, okay? So this is really exciting. I'm really excited to show you guys this. So this is how much they can get done in the span of a day. So as you see here, they start off their day. This is AlpenFury with the track installed on the brake run, and then you can see it kind of angles towards the station, and then the turn into the launch. You can see the tracks, the supports there on the flatbed. I love that a little pickup truck is pulling these supports. It just shows you how light this coaster is, and keep that in mind because that is working to their advantage. It will help them in terms of getting this coaster knocked out. So you're about to see a huge progression of events. So you're going to see in the span of 24 hours, we had 4 track pieces arrive and a ton of supports. And they've started the support structure inside. So the station supports are all done. The turn out of the station is all done. And the little booster launch is all done as it heads towards entering the mountain. That is where it stopped. I've flown 3 different spots for you guys today to get you some really awesome shots of AlpenFury in its current state. It is about to enter no man's land inside the mountain where we won't be able to see much, but I can tell you they are already getting ready. There's a little generator entering the area where you would enter for the haunted house, and that's where some main supports come down for that first element. But you're going to see some track going up in the coming days. Again, we have the exciting opportunity to film some stuff for you guys as we are working on something well beyond what we're used to. So we're just getting all of our footage ready for that. So some stuff I will not show you guys as it's a part of a bigger project, but you guys are looking at its current state. So as you see from this angle, they got a lot done in 24 hours. So as you see here, all those supports I talked about, and the support structure has those little electric units, boxes, silver boxes attached to it right there. And as you can tell, it's not hooked up to the electrical. That's just the boxes where they'll put those electrical components for sensors, the launch, anything like that, weatherproofing, all that stuff. But yeah, so that's exciting. They are definitely catching up for a project that was behind Siren's Curse. We are now, a little bit ahead of Siren's Curse. Now, they are entering an area where it's going to become extremely difficult. It's going to be really cool to see that support structure peek outside of the mountain once they get to that part. So I'm excited. We might go ghost for about a week, depending on how they're building this thing. I don't know if they're going to start going backwards now because the mountain isn't quite ready. So we'll have to wait and see as soon as it enters the mountain if it's going to continue that way. But yeah, and then by the end of the day, they had more track shipments, the 2 turn pieces ready to ship into the park, and the station with the drive tires has been installed. So it just goes to show you how much they can get done in essentially 24 hours on AlpenFury's construction site. So it's really exciting to watch them progress from the state that they were starting at to the state that they are currently operating at on this construction site. So it's really exciting. There's definitely going to be a lot more work. I'm honestly starting to think that by the end of January, this thing should be out of the mountain at minimum. So that'll be really exciting to see because that's when it's going to really heat up. And these track and support segments are so little and so light that they're using cherry pickers with crane attachments to build this coaster. And that's why they're progressing so quickly. So it's only a matter of time before we start to really see how quickly they can go. Obviously, we are waiting on more track to arrive. We are currently at element 2 after the first element. So obviously, we're missing a lot of track. But we should start to see that arrive. So hopefully over the next 3 weeks, we see some sort of progression with the track arriving. And that will come and put me at ease with how quickly this Walter company is moving with vertical construction. So as you see here, this is where it's currently at in terms of vertical construction. I know a lot of people were like, how come you're not uploading? Wonderland's ahead of you. There is certain agreements that we have where what days I can fly on. There are certain days that I'm not allowed to fly on. And yeah, so it makes it a little difficult to keep you guys up to date on YouTube, because I do have blackout days for YouTube from the park, and only specific days that I can fly. So at most you'll see 2 updates a week, about 1 to 2 updates a week. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good one, guys. Bye.